Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Wednesday, August 21. Morning, Bukur. Morning, David. Morning, Shogun. Morning, everyone. So, on weekly basis, as you can see on my screen, we are still fighting 60k level. We had 2 weeks of indecision here. And let's see. This candle is still open. We are in the middle of the week. We can close all the way up in the short reload zone or all the way down in, I don't know, pump chaser zone or long reload zone if you are considered this low. So, candle is open. Let's see what will happen. It's not a good idea to predict if it will go up or if it will go down. Let's play this range. The problem is this range is getting smaller and smaller. And even yesterday I took 3 stop losses in a row. And I said, call it a day. I had a winning trade before that, but when I saw 3 stop losses in a row, I said, "Oh, okay, it's enough for me." Okay, so that's weekly. Well, still below 60k. We want the market to accept above 62 and push higher for us to, I don't know, be more bullish. But fighting at 60k, stay at 60k seems like is I don't know, good enough for altcoins to start pumping. Let's go on daily. Daily chart. That's the best option for us to see what we can do today. Big move down, bounce, and now you can see here we are testing 60k in the short reload zone. This is an ugly candle here. You can see we took 61.8, we took 78.6 and we rejected. We closed all the way down here yesterday. Let's hope that market today will accept again above 60k and we can push higher and test the week highs here. Yeah, yesterday I said, well, I want week highs to be tested. At least to test that. And you can see someone said no, back down. They respected really well the 78.6 fib. Indicators, well, on daily we are still below 50 on RSI and OBV is still not showing us anything. It's just lagging there at the bottom. So I am not too confident in this move. Let's play it, I don't know, maybe better to stay on the sidelines and play only strong setups. Seems likely. You can see the volatility is getting out and it's harder and harder to make money in this range. Okay, so as long as we are below 60k, I cannot be too bullish on Bitcoin. Yeah, we have to admit that the market hold pretty nicely considering the news lately, but it's still below 60k. Was strong until now. Who knows? Maybe the next bad news could affect Bitcoin even more. Idea is it's a support and resistance level here, and it's not a good idea to be too aggressive trading it, no? Because we can SFU up and down at any point in time. Let's see Ethereum. Well, you can see here it's a lot weaker, at least for the moment, a lot weaker than Bitcoin. And similar overview, similar view on this one. Well, we can do a Dalai Lama on AB equals D to the upside, or we can M out and go back down here at the candle body lows, 2300. So similar with Bitcoin here. Yeah? It's kind of 50-50. We don't know if we'll come back in the long reload zone and then we can play along, or we'll push higher in this short reload zone here. We'll have to wait to see, because here it's damn ugly to trade. Bitcoin dominance. Well, I'm still waiting here. We can see it's fighting 57. I'm still waiting for that big yam to happen. I want the market to close below 56.60. Close a daily and then we can think about, well, we have clear signs. Anyway, was a good environment for some altcoins, but they formed a nice W's on 4-hour daily charts on bot setups. So we have some setups, but we need more than that. Yeah, we need more for the market to pump in our take profit areas. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, it's a bit weaker. You can see here, bounce, yam, another yam, fighting at 61.8 here, but I don't see strength. I don't see anything special here. Sorry to tell you, but look at OBV. Not the best one. Not the best price action. Healthy will be to go on a daily and weekly chart, to go deeper in the long reload zone, form a daily weekly W, and then we can call it a bottom. We don't have it yet. We discussed that multiple times. If you have requests, please type in the chat. Bukur said no sound. Well, we have sound, seems like. At least I think it's all in my OBS. Looks nice on YouTube page, on the studio looks nice, so should be okay. Okay, so total market cap on daily, you can see it's similar with Bitcoin. It's staying here, it's fighting this level. Total 2, similar. Total 3, you can see took the highs already, so something is changing here. Yeah. So something is changing. This could be a nice AB equals CD. Total 3 looks lately stronger than total 2, especially than total. So maybe we have a chance for some shots like Miku wants. So we bought the dip, now we should sell half on a double, get some free coins and repeat the process as long as it works. Okay, that's the overview here. Not too many things we can say from yesterday. Similar levels, ugly price action yesterday, at least for me. Yeah, ugly price action on 4-hour chart. Let's put a 4-hour chart. You can see up, down, all over the place. Fake out here. Well, if you consider this one a range, even that it's ugly. We discussed yesterday on daily, if you remember, or 4-hour chart actually, we discussed this 3-bar fractal in the short reload zone. Yeah? And we said even in, I don't know if in live stream or in a live stream for VIP, we said about this 3-bar fractal here. Fired and then bounced to the candle body highs and then straight down. That's why I love 3-bar fractal bottoms and tops. On higher time frame they work really well. On lower time frame it's too damn noisy. And now we have a W again. Okay, let's go on lower time frame. Let's see 4-hour chart. Let's see altcoins. You can see we discussed yesterday IEVO about a potential bot setup. Yesterday I explained the bot setup a little bit. So if you want to learn more, watch yesterday live stream and you'll see it. AB equals CD. Well, at the entry. Now we have 1, 2, 3 lows. 25% entry, 3 to 1 risk to reward. You will see this pattern in a lot of altcoins at this moment in time. You cannot play all of them, but decide how much you want to risk on this idea of continuation here, A, B, C, D, and risk some money, play some setups. That's why we are here. Alt, similar, you can see. This one, it's even a bit uglier than the rest, pumped before the rest, and now same level, yeah, you can see. Consolidating here, 1 low, 2 lows, a nice W. So they are trying. Even Bitcoin on 4-hour chart has the same pattern. You can see A, B, C, D, and we put the bot setup. We have 1 low, 2 lows. Yesterday we said we need a 3rd low. I wasn't sure if this one is a valid one, and you can see 1, 2, 3, W at the neckline. Take it or leave it, guys. In trading, you don't know. if will be a winning trade or a losing trade. Yeah. So take the trade, live with the results, respect the risk management, respect the setup. That's trading. It's not easy. So clear bot setup, damn clear one here. Textbook one. If you want to make a print screen for a bot setup, this is it. Now move down, up. You can see below 33, above 66. One low, two lows, three lows. Nice W here exactly to frame is there. Okay. On lower time frame yesterday I managed to put something here. And for some fucking reason didn't took my trade. I had a limit order, you know, it's Shark, it's one of my favorite, and didn't took my trade. I don't know why. I wasn't at the computer at that point in time. And the level was good, they just didn't took my trade. And you can see now it's more than 1-to-1 in profit. Next, what I can do. I was a bit upset when I saw it, but that's trading. Exactly, this would be a really nice entry here. You can see Shark, the best possible Shark setup. It's the second time. Last time I played the Shark, I missed the Shark with $12. Now I had the level and I didn't get filled. I don't know why. Anyway, we can push all the way up here, even higher, if you are thinking continuation on lower time frame. So shit happens on my side also. I'm not better than you. I'm just a stupid trader with a good plan and good setups. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Ethereum here, well, we can say bot setup. We can say, but one low, second one, because this one is higher. And now we have the second one. Is lagging, indeed. You can see Ethereum is lagging behind the rest. I prefer to play something else. If I'll see Ethereum here above 25 and then retest and I'll have room to add another trade, why not? But for the moment here, nah. CRV, we are waiting here. Well, we are waiting here at the mountain man. Seems like doesn't want to give us a feel. We had some dumps yesterday, yeah, some shaking out kind of idea, and CRV didn't worry about anything, stayed at the same fucking level. We have some CRV, we discussed this one for a spot, for investment, but I wanted a nice trade. I'm still waiting, who knows. Dimension, similar here. You can think whatever you want, but I see the same pattern. Either will go back in the long reload zone, either will form an AB equals CD pattern here. On this one, we have one low for the moment. Second low, let's assume, but nothing more. Yeah? E-gold, well, we discussed this one was a bit above entry. Now, give us an entry and is pushing back up. This one has a bad habit going straight up, straight down. So, if you took it, good for you. FED, we said that we need more to consolidate and we can play around. If altcoins will fly and Bitcoin will hold the level, this one will pump. I'm not saying it will not pump, but there are better trades there than on FED for the moment. ING is strong, but as you can see, doesn't matter what Bitcoin does, it's staying here. I could see an aggressive AB equals CD here. Why not? You can see the W's. W kind of breakout, retest, forming a W again. So pay attention on this one. This one could be good. If you see is breaking out, you can play it with Holy Grail on lower time frame. I think it will be a good, once it starts trending, look at this one. Once it starts trending, is keep going. So you can make a nice risk to reward with Holy Grail. Joe, well, Joe is pushing higher. We had the W here, the other side of the trend line, and is going up. We cannot chase here. What we can do now here? Well, we can do something like this. We need to wait for the market to finish the move up, and we can wait here in the long reload zone. From this swing low to this swing high, take Mountain Man, Stefan setup, take Mountain Man and Shark, something like that. One second, Andre, I'll take a look. So, playing Stefan setup here, not bad. Entry at 61.8, risk all the way down. Or you can wait for a, I don't know, a general setup. Manta, well, same bot setup everywhere. Pixel, this uptrend channel, you can play the uptrend channel if will be the case. Pyth, bot setup, similar. Solana, lazy consolidating. Yeah, we had bad news yesterday about Solana. Bad news. Well, people expected an ETF, and SEC said, well, not this time. They are playing around with us. So, Solana, let it consolidate, and maybe you'll find a setup. Playing it here, nah, not the best one. And we had a bot on Ton, and you can see it's still at the entry point. Will probably go up if Bitcoin will stay close to 60k, kind of idea. Okay. Let's see what Andre is saying there. Well, Reef. Well, let's take a look, Andre. Why not? Good morning, Katalin. So, Reef. Why not? Let's put a spot. Let's go from our usual high time frame. Well, you can see we had some ink here, but we need to clean up everything. It's old. Well, talking about support and resistance, talking about power of 3, thinking about when you can understand that this market is changing to the bull side. Well, you had here kind of a small weekly W, you can see it, and that produced a really nice pump. We lost that level now, we bleed down, we lost the level, we lost this level, and we are going straight down here on weekly. To become bullish again, Andre, you know, you are here from almost 2 years now. Now, to become bullish again, you need weekly W, and you don't have anything like that. I don't know why he's losing the level, he's going down. Probably they are delisting from Binance or some bad news that will drain it. If you have, for example, if Binance will delist this one and you have other places to trade it, buy it. Yeah, dollar cost average on it. If it's only on Binance and it's a shitcoin that nobody, you cannot buy or sell in other places, well, just leave it alone. Yeah, it's delisting from Binance, Miku is saying. So that's why usually when Binance is delisting something, will bleed. If you have something else, other platform, other way to trade it in another place, okay, you can buy it and dollar cost average on it. I'm not saying it's bad. Yeah? Weekly basis, no bottom yet. It's cheap, that's for sure. Yeah? You saw, just look at this price action. Please look and remember that. Yeah, everyone. The weekly W, breakout retest, pump, yeah, pump, goes back down here, and here Binance is delisting it. It's a fucking coincidence, no? You will see it over and over again. If you have other platforms where you can trade this one, then you can buy it. You will see the same pattern. Binance, another platform, will not delist something when it's bleeding down and staying down. No. After a pump, they made their money, motherfuckers. Now they're delisting it. If you can trade on KuCoin, then slowly accumulate. If you like the project, transfer from Binance on KuCoin. Don't sell it now. Look at the wicks. They'll need retest. Zoom out. Has some potential. Yeah? Even to test this level. It's 10x here. So if you buy it here and sell it at this level from October 22, it's a 10x. If you are thinking higher, then it's a lot more. That's weekly. Indicators, they don't look too bad. Let's see daily. Well, daily is trying to form a bullish divergence here. You can see it's trying. Yeah. We can, if we push a bit lower, we can form a daily bullish divergence. To buy it here, well, on daily, I don't suggest to do that. Let it consolidate a little bit, form some W's, break out and retest for a trade if you are trying to trade it. Yeah. If you have it on spot, yeah. And so what? Why, you want to sell it after a 95% loss? Just leave it there, Andre. It's ugly, yeah. If you bought it here, that's why I don't suggest you. I tell you every time, don't fucking buy up markets, don't buy tops, don't be the last to buy. Well, I assume you have it from a long time ago. Yeah. Now it's the capitulation on this one. It's a clear capitulation, Andre. I know it's ugly. That's why we have a plan, and that's why we don't risk more than 5% on any fucking idea, because shit like this could happen. But this is the capitulation for this one. So just leave it there until the top of the market, and you don't sell on a loss in an investment. Okay, so I don't see not even a trade here. We can bounce and will bounce, but we need the W here. W, breakout, retest, and we can frame a setup. Okay, it looks ugly, and there are more coins like this. I saw last time 4 or 5 altcoins delisted by Binance without any fucking reason. They just said, well, we'll delist these ones. No, they already set the chart. Now, definitely it looks like a slow rug here. They are selling. They are legally cleaning up this one and taking the money. But you should go and see what the community is saying, if they are still active. If the community is still active, then they will pump up again. Okay. Anything else? Any other request? Well, I'm pretty well, Andre. Just my nose is a little bit, but I don't have any problem on the rest. Okay, so no request. I'll show you the doji. I told you to buy at 40 cents. Now it's 50 cents. Up to you. Buy on doji market if you like the doji. You have some NFTs here. Well, now it's 53 cents. It's up to you guys. Below 1% risk on a high potential here, high risk to reward. I don't know. It's up to you. You can see this one is still working. They don't care about what's happening in the rest. They have their own ecosystem. Why I'll buy Doginals and I'll look on Doge. Doge, the big meme coin, yeah, community is fucking strong. It's the strongest. New people don't know what Elon Musk. I don't know. Perverted the Doge name. Huh? But Doge is the strongest community, maybe even stronger than Bitcoin. They are true believers, they don't care. They have Doge from years ago and they are not selling. And they are working. They are working on some projects. They are, like I said, they have a different ecosystem playing around. Yeah, Tolga, we have a bot set up on Ton. Look at here. Okay, guys, if it's nothing else, calendar, today we should stay out at the end of the New York session. We have FOMC minutes. In the rest, nothing special. Ugly range, ugly behavior, especially on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we can still make money on some altcoins. And even on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looks like Mountain Man and Shark setups, they are still working. Let's play around and see what happens. If it's nothing else, let's call it a live stream and we'll hear again in New York session if you are premium member, or tomorrow with the same video. Okay. See you guys.